What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be making a quick video. A couple days ago we got some care packages that came in the mail. Huge shout out to Jackson from Auxito for sending us not just one but two LED lights for the CRX. So in this video we're gonna be doing an unboxing, and I'm also gonna give my honest review on them, and we're gonna compare the old ones that's currently in my car to these new ones right here. So enough talking, man, because I'm excited to see if these new lights perform better than the ones that's currently in my car. So this is what's inside the box. You got some fancy gloves, Ziploc full of zip ties and O-rings, and an Allen key. You got your manual, which I never read, and you get these bad boys right here. It's plug and play for your car, so all you gotta do is plug it in and put this light in the socket and you're ready to go. So I'm gonna go pull out the lights real quick from the CRX and do a little comparison. I had to put on the glove, man, but I took off the driver's side lights real quick. Bought this from AutoZone, this from Amazon for dirt cheap. They're holding up, but it was time for an upgrade. Comparing these two side by side, I would say this is better quality. But with this Amazon brand, the heatsink on it is really thin, and you have this plastic tab right here. In the past, I've broken too many to count. It's just annoying and pain in the ass to deal with, because I've either had to use zip ties or duct tape to keep it in the socket. But with the Auxito brand, the whole entire body is made out of aluminum. That is very smart for them to do, because majority of the manufacturers that sells lights have plastic tabs, and like I said earlier, they break easily. And with them upgrading it to aluminum, that will eliminate all your issues. And one thing I also like about this light right here is the heat sink. It is very thick. It feels like it's made out of billet aluminum, and it has some weight to it. So overall, the design is way better than the Amazon one, because just look at it. Shiny, very like slim, while this one on the right side is very thick, bruh. Thick boy, you know? But yeah, you still got your plastic fan right here, so this light will never overheat. They say that it's 8,000 lumens per light, so two lights together is 16,000, and with the high beam on, probably shoot 32,000 all together, bro. So that should be very bright. And they also have this upgraded driver, so once this light is on and operating, you will have no error, no flickering whatsoever. But before we install these bad boys in the CRX, we're gonna put back the old lights so we can do comparison to see which light is brighter. One with the lights on and one with the lights off. So that should be a good test right there, and we're gonna see the results back there, you feel me? So I'm gonna put these back on real quick and I'll show you guys in a bit. So I just got done installing the old lights back in the car. So I'm gonna start off with the low beam. And it pretty much reaches the shed in the back. Now let's do the high beam. Now, as y'all can see, it reaches like at the tree right here, so behind the shed. Turn off the light real quick, and yeah, you can see it more over there. Still pretty bright. Now we're gonna install the Auxito brand and run the same exact test to see if they are brighter than these bad boys that's currently in the CRX. So we got both of the lights right here ready to be installed. You don't need no fancy tools, just a cutter to cut the zip ties. That's it. Let's start with the high beam. Twist, plug it in, low beam. Wait, hang on. Twist. Plug it in. See how quick that was? Come on, man. Stop playing with me. Now, we're gonna do the passenger side. It should be quick, and I'll show you guys the results here in a bit. The passenger side is all done. Wires are still a little bit messy. I'm gonna figure that out once we're all done. But now, we're gonna do the same exact test as we did with the first one. First, low beam. Yup, pretty bright. It reaches the shed, same as my first LED light from Amazon. Now the high beam. Sheesh, that's bright. But the real test is with the lights off. Damn. It made the carport a little bit brighter compared to the old ones. Turn this light on real quick. Yeah, I would say these are way brighter, and I would highly recommend it for anybody. They literally make it for any type of cars, bruh. So I would say this is a win. Bro, these lights are freaking bright as hell. I'm impressed. It's way brighter than the ones that I had in my car before. Plus, it is very easy to install. You could do it with your eyes closed. You feel me? I'm probably gonna get a set for my truck because that's my daily, and the lights on there are very dim. Sometimes I have to use the high beams, especially at night. So buying one set of LED lights and installing them, this will help me, and pretty much a good upgrade for the truck. But if you want to get your own set, click the link in the description. It will lead you to Auxito.com. Type in your year, make, and model. Choose the lights you want, and at the checkout, use my discount code Bata'sGarage and get 15% off your whole entire purchase, bruh. Everything. What y'all waiting for, man? Y'all better hop on this deal quick. But other than that, that's it for today, bruh. It is very cold and late, and I want to bring my ass inside where it's warm and cozy. So if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you guys want to stick around and see more current project and the future projects, hit that subscribe button. But on that note, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Peace.